Hello, beautiful people. You're welcome once again to Mr. Hallelujah Maths class. We have a problem right now for us to peruse. Let's go. All right. The mean of three numbers is 9. The mode is 11. What is the lowest number? All right. Let us proceed. Now we know that the mean is the summation of all the numbers, let's call the numbers let's say x all over the total numbers, let's call it n. All right, so the summation of all the numbers all over the total numbers. Now the question is given that the mean is 9 equal to, now the sum of the three numbers, we were told that the mode is 11, and mode simply means that the number that is appearing the most. So if we are given three numbers and they told us that the mode is 11, which means out of that three numbers, two of it is 11. So we will now say that, let's say y plus 11 plus 11 all over, how many numbers do we have? We have three numbers, all over 3. This is what it is. So this will now be equal to 9 equal to y plus 22 all over 3. All right, in order to proceed, we have to clear the fractions. And if we do that, it means if we multiply both sides by 3, it will now be 3 times 9. 3 times 9 equal to y plus x. So 3 times 9 is 18. Sorry, 3 times 9 is 27. 27 equal to y plus 22. All right. So now, for us to have y as the subject of formula, we have to subtract 22 from both sides. So it means that 27 minus 22 is equal to y. This will be our value for y. So 27 minus 22 will give us 5. Simply means that y is equal to 5. That is our final answer. That is the lowest number among the numbers that were made available to have a mean of 9. Thank you very much for watching. Do well to subscribe to the page. Do well to like, comment, and share Mr. Hallelujah Maths class. Thank you very much for watching. God bless you. Bye-bye.